Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to create curved wall shape. Right? So here I have a spacing of a room. So in order to make curve here, I want to split the wall first. So first I use split button, click on the wall and then I use split. And then I set here for 1338. Enter. Then from here I want to set for another 700. Okay, so I have split this wall. So you can see here this one is 700 and this area here I'm using 1338. Okay, so to make it curve, I delete this wall first. Okay, and then I go back to straight line function and then I connect this wall from this endpoint, but you need to untick to orthogonal. Since I'm using center line, I click on this midpoint to midpoint and then right click to cancel. So in order to make curve to this wall, I click on it and change to arc. So automatically I will have the wall in curve, same as what we want here. Right? So that's all from me. Thank you.